Junior Manua, my apostle was. Our apostle was as my apostle, you were a contribution and issue. From a man who was a win number one as a secret. You had a fitting from a master and a issue. Papa, you know, that you shall be as some very short home. The old man who from one people to say that if you know being a little young because you say, I was something. Also, I said, Mama said, no, some family and young so I'm going to why do you shall be this with that? Because I also was saying that I should so I said, I never know I'm to be able to walk as a dear for your mother now. It was my child was my father was
Amen.